Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing a virtual contest on Biweekly Contest 71, 71st. I'm in Medellin right now, so I missed the actual contest in Colombia. So I'm going to do a virtual contest and I guess we'll see how it goes because I am addicted to these things. And one question I do get is why do I do these things? And to be honest, it's because I do it for fun. A lot of people do like crosswords, and I actually do crosswords as well, or Wordle or something like that. I do all those things, and I do Leetcode. So that's why I'm doing it in Colombia for whatever reason. Okay, so today it's going to be a virtual contest. I'm going to scroll down slowly so I don't see the problem names, and then we'll get started. Cool. Cool. It's coming up. This is like, okay. Am I ready? Yeah, let's go. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. I have really bad posture. I feel like the table is not really my height, but I guess we'll see. Okay, you're given. Let me double check. I clicked on record. Okay. Split num into two different numbers. Minimum possible sum. Okay. Whatever. I think I need one, and maybe this is fine. I always get weird about off by one, so but I rather spend an extra time. Okay. Okay, so I think we're good here then. Is it always possible to have answers? I guess so. Huh, yeah. I don't have my mouse, so my scrolling up and down is a little bit silly. Huh. Did I miss? Why did I get 61? Dum. Wow, I'm struggling on a Yeezy. Isn't it 61? Did I misunderstood this problem? Oh, wait, what? Huh. I totally misread this problem. Yikes. So we can use all the digits at any in any place. Wow, this is a really annoying one for a Yeezy, to be honest, because I didn't really expect it. Okay. I mean, I know this is not hard. It's just I have to figure out how I want to do it. Okay, fine. So I've this is already not looking great. Well, it's at most four. It's actually exactly 4 digits, right? How do I want to? This is so annoying. How do I do Python permutations again? In editors. Okay, is it just permutations? Okay, and actually I can. This is big yikes, to be honest. Permutations of S2. What is it? Where's the oh? Oh yeah, okay. Maybe it's actually something like this. Yikes. Oh. This is actually pretty yikes. Okay. Huh. Oh. Why did I get one dirty? Ow. Oh. So you can have leading zeros. Why did I think I cannot have leading zeros? Wow, I'm like all sorts of yikes on part one. Hopefully I don't even get a wrong answer. That would be just sad. Okay, fine. That was pretty sad for Q1 actually. Okay, let's go. Okay, I mean this one seems way more straightforward. Can it be equal to? Equal to, okay. So there could be multiple, okay, fine. Oops. Actually, I think I'm a little bit dumb on this one. I can actually do a little bit better. I can actually, I think the way that I'm doing is fine, but no, what I want, I'm actually kind of ugly with the code. So is index another number? So we want, is that an operator? Okay, I think I'm trying to be too clever. Let's just do it the stupid way, and then maybe we can talk about the right way later. I mean, I don't. Yeah, I think maybe I try to overthink myself too much. I mean, the other way could have worked, but it's just not necessary. Okay, Q3. 1 second. Wait, what am I talking about? What you talking about? Okay. You push at most 4 digits by prepending zeros. You push 953. Okay. 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 So we want between. Oh, okay. Start cost, move cost. Okay. So, I mean, this is probably just breadth search or something, right? We don't have that many states. We have. Yeah, we don't have that many states. It's like 10,000 states. Okay. How do we? Not breadth search. Maybe Dijkstra. One of those things. DP. Okay. I actually have to read the problem. I've just been skipping ahead. Okay. Your finger is at start at. Move the finger at a specific digit. Cost move units. Okay. Pushing the digit finger once. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I guess this is just Dijkstra. Dijkstra. Okay. And writing it correctly. Okay. Let's see. We start at. So what is this existing state? I guess the existing state is nothing, and then we want to get to. This is just annoying to write. I mean, I don't think this is hard per se. Let's see. How do I want to define the states? So that's a state. The cost is a state, and then I guess the actual number, right? And we're just trying to get 2. No, yeah, I think this stuff may be a little bit awkward. What is 116? Why is 116 right? Maybe I'm missing some stuff. I get that that means 1 minute and oh wow, that actually is a okay. That I mean, it's not hard. It's just a weird case for target seconds. I mean, that not. Can you? Does it like? It then adds them up. Okay. I guess that's just awkward, but not bad. It's just the 2 different possible last answers. How do I? What happens if you get more than 4 digits? Oh, you push at most 4 digits, so you can't like it doesn't run over or anything like that. Okay. I do want to get. Okay, let's just have a get target. So then here we have. Let's see. So if geez, I got some weird stuff stuck on my keyboard. I have to clean it later. Wow, this is an annoying problem. Let me think. So okay, so minutes is equal to okay, so then that is just equal to how do I want I guess we'll just use string. There's not that many of them, right? I forget how to pad on F string. Is this right? Yeah, I guess this is actually right. Thanks, Past Larry. Okay. P for possible, and then and then the other one is kind of more nuanced. I guess it's just actually S is equal to seconds minus or mod 100. What? If okay, let's do this for a second. If S is greater than 60, then we have M is equal to seconds minus S divided by 60. Is that right? No, it is. That is just means M is equal to seconds minus 60. Wait, I can't do math today. Okay, I think it's this -1, but that doesn't feel right for some reason. Okay, let's use an example 76 or 76 to 76. Okay, and this will have. Okay, maybe that's fine. I think this is also where you would have unit testing conceptually, but oh, and but here we have pre-zeros. Maybe that's fine. Maybe we can have pre-zeros and then we just have to do the math in a little bit. Okay. And then here we start at nothing. Okay, let's do that. current cost, the state, and the finger. So go to hit Q. Man, I'm really slow on this one, I feel like, to be honest. How's everyone doing on this contest so far? I guess I'm doing okay. I mean, not that many people. I mean, slow on Q2, or slow on Q1, to be honest, but not that bad. Okay. Make up a bow. Okay, what are we doing? So now we can. Yeah, I mean, I think we just brute force, right? So that means I have to do some stuff as well. So it's gonna be 10,000 times 100,000 is probably okay. Okay, fine. Okay. If best of otherwise. Otherwise, we push this on the finger. So let's see. So we move. So it's cost, but move cost. State is still the same, and finger is now on I. Okay. I have to do some checking as well. I'm just going through it. And then the other one is if we push, then it's state plus string of finger, and then I. And this is only if. I guess if length of state is equal to 4, then we continue, because we can skip it because we can only do 4 moves. But only after we check. So if how do I pad already given strain? I guess I could do something like this, but I feel like this is too slow, like the way that I'm writing it. Turn cost, and then otherwise it's not reachable, but I don't think we can get there because we will just yeah, okay, because we just reach all the states in theory. Key error. Oh yeah, I didn't do any of the things that I'm supposed to do, the checking stuff. But if in I hope this is right syntax, actually, not sure. The walrus syntax is interesting and fun, but it could also, I'm not that familiar with it. Oh, I forgot to set the original thing, which is what? New course is referenced before. What line is that? 38. So maybe I just don't know how to do this Walrus thing. Also, this is clearly mule course. Okay, let's see. Still one time error. Dong dong dong. Oh, wow! I'm really sloppy on my really sloppy on my dice tray today. I'm just not really thinking, to be honest. Curly, and this is not I. This is finger. Did I just copy and paste that from somewhere or something? Why is that so weird? 1 and 10. Okay, that is not right, unfortunately. But it is better than no answer. Okay. That's not very helpful, but okay. Okay, so what are we doing? With this one, yeah, this is a little complicated, but oh, they actually tell you the weird case, so I guess that's good. But actually, what I want to do is print that first. Okay, so I'm missing 1. So, what am I missing? 60. So this math is wrong. That's probably why. Though that actually, why is this 6? Instead of, I press 1, and then I think this is done for some reason. I have like multiple things to debug. This is pretty yikes. Usually pretty good at this particular dice tray, but I guess not today. Okay, so I think I messed up on the padding. I think I won left padding, but it's padding to the right. Is that why? Yeah, I think that is why, but Python F string left padding. I forgot how to do it. Isn't this pad left? Ugh, yikes. I do exclamate. Is this right now? Is this the way to do it? I actually don't know. I haven't done F string too much. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay. Okay. So this math is still wrong. Okay, so we fixed one thing, but what answer does it try to give? 6? Okay, I mean that's good, I guess. In that, is it though? Why are my states so weird? All right, let's get rid of the other test case for now. Oh, actually, no, I thought that was the second problem. Okay, so I guess we do get to this by, what am I? Oh, states and then the padding. I guess that's good. Where's the 100 though? I guess the 100 was here. Okay, so I think we're right, kind of. Okay, we fixed that. What is the other things I have to? Oh, the other thing I have to fix is this thing because I'm not looking for 960. So I think that's why I'm only looking for 1000, which is fine for Q1 or part 1. Okay, my math is wrong. How do I do this? Okay, so, oh, I see. So actually what we want is if minute is greater than 0, then n seconds plus 60 is less than 100. Okay, I think that's it, right? Okay, still should give me 6. Okay, fine. I print way too much still. That's good. Second test case. Is that right? Oh, actually, that is right. I just didn't really think about it. Okay. Let's also print. I do want to check first, though. Oh, yeah, I guess it doesn't print there. And I also worry a little bit about running time, to be honest. But, okay, I just want to see which one is... Okay, this is not going to do it. Okay, fine. I'm going to YOLO a little bit and just submit. 6. Okay. Hopefully this is right. I mean, the idea is going to be right. It's just about whether I'm implementing it weird. And also maybe time limited because I'm using strings in a very lazy way. Okay, cool. All right. How far behind am I? Let's see. That took a while. Okay. Yikes. Okay, let's focus. Q4. How much time do I have left? Okay, so I'm 27 minutes in or so. Okay. Nums consist of 3 times n. Exactly n. So basically, what? The difference in minimum? Okay. So basically, you remove 1/3 of the elements, and then you try to do some magic on the other 2 to try to figure out the minimal difference. What is n? N is big. Wow. So okay. Huh. And the numbers of I is pretty big too. So what you might call it, knapsack doesn't seem okay. Huh. I mean, it's probably if we're thinking better, it's probably going to be some sort of weird greedy, but I think I have a hard time convincing myself of it. Oh, wait. I think I misread this for a second, or I misunderstood this problem. So actually, the order matters. For some reason, I thought I could just sort it, which is, like if you're giving. Okay. Huh. What does that? How does that change? It's because now. Okay, that changes things a bit, actually. Now, this is where I wish I had pencil and paper, but because the order matters, that means that the first. I mean, yeah, okay. So we have some n times 3 items. And what does that mean? If we remove, so we remove no numbers per se, or remove the middle third, then it's just the first third, the difference between that. And what if we remove one number from the beginning? That means that we replace a number from the beginning. We place a number from the beginning to one of the middle third numbers, or the first middle third number, and then so forth. And you have this like cascading thing. And then the question is, okay, I mean, I have like this visualization, but what does that mean, right? How many people have solved this? A lot of people have solved this, actually. Maybe not a lot, but a reasonable amount. Okay. What does that mean? So we remove these two, and that means that we remove one. That means that I think the part I'm struggling with is proving greedy. I have a few greedy ideas in my mind. Okay, so let's say we have a sum. This is this is 16, and if we add 5, I think the opposite idea is how I would want to do it. If we add 5, then we delete one of these. So what does 5 represent to us? 5 represent to us a -2 or a -4. But how can we combine that together? If I have to guess, it's going to be dp. How do I even get it? Okay. Well, the one thing that we can do I don't think I have an immediate idea on this one. That's definitely true. Also, I didn't realize that order. Why do they make it so that you do -1 instead of? Huh? Actually, wow! I misread this totally. For some reason, I misread it again for the second time. I thought that it is the absolute, because that's usually what they do, is the absolute value, right? So that's why I was thinking about knapsacky things. But now it actually is different, because now you're trying to maximize the second sum, you're trying to maximize the second sum and minimize the first sum. Okay, so now I see that there can be a greedy because it's not absolute difference. Wow, I misread this twice. Okay, so then now what do we do? So basically we want to maximize the part 2 and minimize part 1. And what does that mean, right? That means that for each number, I think we can. I want to say we can do greedy, and that it's just the 2 pointers or something like that, where you replace the 3 with the 8, and then 5 with the 1, and then you're done. Because though technically you can actually, what you would do is actually replace the 8 with the 1, and then you have the 8 and the 3, and then the 9 and the 5. So then I guess the idea here is to use a min heap on the right and a max heap on the left, something like that, and then greedily do some maths. Is that reasonable? I'm gonna do it. I don't know if this is true, right, but I think this is enough for me to at least try a YOLO, and then at least come up with a counter case or something. Couple of wrong answers, so I don't know. Could be sketch, but let's see. Okay. Okay. Oops. Yeah, actually, that should be fine. Do later. There's like a heapify, but I always is that a thing? Okay, so that's not a syntax error, so I can use this later. Okay. Making sure we're doing the right thing-ish. Okay, maybe not. I don't know. There's only two. These cases of two symbol. Okay, and then now we have left sum is equal to sum of left. Right sum. Okay, and then now. Okay, so now what we want to do is let's do something slightly silly, but what's it called? That's the middle third, right? Yep. Okay, cool. And then now, oh, actually, I mixed this up. So we want on the left side, we want. My memory's not good. Okay, so the right side, we want to maximize the right side, so we want to have a min heap, and the left side is max heap. Okay. Left is max heap. Why do I want a max heap? I want a max heap because I want to get rid of the max number. Okay, fine, Larry. This is like exposition on a just so I don't forget. So because we want a max heap, we do a negative number here. Yeah, unfortunately, there's no easy way to do it, right? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Can there be negative input? Nope. So I guess we should be good here. I'm like so. This is what happens when you're not confident about your coding. Is that you do all these things because if you're confident, you don't think about it. But I am a little bit bad today. Okay. So then item. So the beginning of the queue, and then the max. Okay, so we replace the max with the beginning of the queue. Okay, left candidate is equal to. So that means that we subtract this and then we add this in that row. So okay, so this is the contribution from the left side. And then on the right side, we have we remove this. Yeah, remove this and add this. So if so this is the contribution to the answer, and we want the minimum of it, right? No, that's not true. Wait. Well, we want what contributes the most negativeness. So that means that if this is bigger than that, then write some. Oops. Oh, and this is actually negative this as well. Yeah. If the right is the better move, then we do this, and then q dot pop, right? No, just pop. Oops. Else pop left some, and also have to deheap. So then now, right, q dot pop, right, q dot hit push. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm happy with that. Maybe I don't know if this is quite right, because you could end up with a smaller number, I suppose. But you, oh yeah, I guess we can't just ignore it if in that rule, right? If okay, we have to do some maths. But let's finish writing this first. Yeah. I don't even know if this idea is right, to be honest. Because this can, you would only do this if this makes sense. But in this case, then both of them are not great for you, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, then in this case, if this is negative, then we just pop without caring. And then if this is positive, then we also pop without caring, because if it's positive, then we don't have to do it. Also, is that true though? Yeah, no, we can skip that. Yeah, okay. Okay. Where did I have a typo? Best guess. How did that happen? -1 is fine. -12 is less fine. Okay. So we're not really not Gucci. Okay. How did I get -12? What's happening? Okay, I start at -12, so maybe that's why. Did I misunderstood this? Did I misunderstood this problem again? So yeah, in this case, you remove these two. Wait, what? Oh, it's first minus the second. Yeah, okay. So you remove these two, and then, did I just have my math wrong somewhere? Okay, I guess so. Oh, I just okay, I have my signs are wrong. Wow, that is actually pretty sad. I guess I'm just so used to writing it that way. Or like that is how you usually do. I don't know. -1 and 8. 8 is still not great, or 8 is not the smallest anyway. So at least we know that this idea is wrong, perhaps. Well, this is 16 minus 4. Let's see. Okay. So, okay. Maybe this is just the wrong idea, to be honest. I'm just trying to play around with different greedy ideas. So after one iteration, there should be at least 2 iterations though, so that's a little bit awkward, right? Oh, well, maybe it just continued, actually. But it shouldn't, right? No, maybe it should, I don't know. Let's see. 16 minus 13 is 1. Okay, so that's the idea. So what happened? What am I doing? So this is yikes. Okay, so we can either, what am I printing here? Oh, I forgot. I was wondering why it's just inconsistent. Okay, so that means that we can either replace the 9 with the 5, and then I do. Okay, so greedy isn't working then, because I'm choosing to replace the 9 with the 5 in a greedy way. No, I think I messed up actually. Hang on. I messed up on my signs because actually 7 is the thing, because we want to increase the right side by 7. So greedy still kind of works here, but I'm just not doing it right because I'm not doing the signs correctly. Okay, so we want, how do I say in English? Okay, so this has a contribution of -4. This has a contribution of -7 on the right side. So we want negative of this because it is, yeah, okay. Maybe that's right, I don't know. Okay, so that at least gives me the right answer here. I might have to fix this, but basically if, what is this in English? So if this contribution is negative, let's just be consistent, I guess. Even though it looks really awkward. Make sure I don't have the other one incorrect, at least. Okay. Try again in a few seconds. -1 and 1. I'm just going to YOLO really quick, but I have to think about this. Okay, so we're definitely wrong. I really don't. That's a long way to not know the answer, though. That's a little bit sad. So that means that you can do better. So that means that my greedy is wrong and not the implementation. A lot of people got this though, so maybe I'm just not thinking about this in the right way. Maybe it's DP and I'm just thinking about it in a silly way. We want to minimize the first. I guess so. Now that I think about it, I think about having another way of doing it, maybe. No, but I mean, there is definitely a DP, but the DP may be too slow. But I can also, I think another way, I have, okay, but not, it's, okay, fine. Okay, I know what I want to do. Okay, I know how to do this, but that took a long way to go about it. It's not, I mean, it's greedy, but in another way, it's just a for loop. Like a prefix answer thing. Okay. 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 I am being silly. This one's not that. This one actually, I like this part, but I didn't know how to do it. Maybe I should have explored a little bit more because I didn't even use this example really, other than to prove my greedy wall. But okay, so now let's see. Okay, so okay, reset, Larry. You got this. You know how to do this. You know the answer to this one, Larry. Just do it. Okay. If what is it? Num sub I. Okay. If this number is smaller than the left contribution, because we have a max heap, then okay. Yeah, okay, fine. Left sum is equal to left sum minus left C. No, yep. And then add num sub current heap q dot heap. Okay, I know how to do this now, but that is not so slick though. Yeah, because we want to minimize the left. Okay, and then prefix that up. Okay. I guess this is actually easier to write, but okay, now in this one we want the max, right? No, yeah, we want to max, so if this number is bigger, then we want to get rid of it. Okay, fine. Okay. Oh, what the? Why am I writing prefix again? So, okay. So now do I need to reverse it? Yep, okay. Okay, and then now we just have to do a math over this. Oh, whoops. Huh. Mixed up the index and the thingy. Okay. Okay. Oh, I forget to. I always forget. Oh no, that's not it. I just had the wrong one. Okay, so now we have these things, and then now we can. Is this off by one? Yeah, I guess this is off by one. Oh, not off by one, but the left sum is here, and then you combine with the. I think this should be good then. Maybe I'm off by one still. Okay, that's not great. I think this is right though. It's just that maybe I have an off by one somewhere with my indexes. So the suffix. So this goes all the way to n minus 3. That should be true. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is 3. This is 2. Okay, 1 this is 2. Okay. This is annoying. I think I'm just off by one somewhere though. Basically, you want the max of the things. So left sum is the one, and then but that contains all the other numbers. Now this should be right on the indexing. Maybe. Okay, let's do, okay, 16, that's right. And on the right side, 13, that's true. And then 12, yep. And on the right side, it's 11. Okay, no, I mean, what am I doing wrong then? Do I have an off by one somewhere where I'm not taking account a number or something? Oh, this is negative because, yikes, I forgot about okay, there we go. The max min heap type thing is silly. Also, okay, what is an unknown error? Okay, the unknown error is accepted. Okay. Did I, oh, maybe I left it printed. Did I get it right? I can't tell. Did I submit again? No, okay. I should have gotten that one faster, I guess. That was pretty okay. But yeah, that was a really weird AC like unknown error. Unknown error. You're right. It's not something that I get a lot. Yeah. So let me brief a little bit. I really should have gotten Q4 a little bit better. I miss. Oh, good job, Josh. We're doing well. Let's actually. Oh, I cannot see the rankings without the virtual contest being over. So I guess I'm definitely not in. So I guess I'm going to lose rating on this one if I was doing this live. But to be fair, I really should have gotten that Q4. I really yeah. I mean, I just didn't really think about it through. Yeah, I think with the right visualization, I could have thought about it, and you'll see that in the explanation video. But yeah, all right. I think I was slow on Q1. I'm gonna blame this on just getting off the plane. That's what I'm gonna do for this contest because I was really slow even on Q3. I think I was fast-ish, not or like compared to a lot of people. But Q4 I really was very slow. I really should have, or possibly, and could have done faster. Yeah, cool. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. And I'm in Median for a couple of weeks. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.